the sun shining bright, got a look that's bold, ready for the night. Sparks in my eyes, feeling so fly. Luxury on my face, watch me touch the sky. Every frame's a masterpiece, crafted to perfection, can't be beat. Sparks exclusives, one of a kind, stepping out, turning heads every time. Sparks sunglasses, the world's on fire. Luxury, the vibe, take it higher. With every glance, you feel the change. In the light of fashion, we own the stage. Sparks exclusives, no compromise. Style and gold, with the world as your eyes. From city streets to the red carpet glow. Sparks on my face, now watch me show.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to K London. So I'm so excited about what I'm doing this weekend that I feel like I need to unbox some of these stuff and share it with you. So I'm literally doing my first pop-up shop for Spark sunglasses at the Derby Market Hall, and I'm preparing. I've got Friday off work so I can prepare all of the stock and everything, and so all of my parcels have been coming. I've stacked them up and I want to show you guys what I have got. So here goes the first item. So I'm so excited about this. Oh, look! Can you see? Can you see? I think you can see. It's a Sparks t-shirt. So I've got to create my outfit around the t-shirt now. So obviously I should wear gold jewellery and some sneakers that have white, or maybe some brown sneakers. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to create an outfit around this. Got to represent, you know. The next one is white paper bags. I've got 50, but I wanted 50 more, so I've got 100. What is it? Oh, the sunglasses storage thing, so that the sunglasses can be stacked up and not just across. So I'll show you this when I build it. Photo paper, because I print all of my own thank you cards. And that's it for that one. Next one is okay, the next one is my cardboard boxes. Sorry for the noise. I put all of the sunglasses in these brown boxes, and then in the mailing boxes that you guys know that I make a big deal out of when I get new designs for the collections. So yep, all cardboard. And so yep, I've got 44 of these, but I've also got stock already. And the next one is right. So I have ink because my ink ran out whilst I was printing all the thank you cards. So ink for my printer, colour and black and white, well black. And then the money box. So I have a money box, right? But it didn't have the tray for the petty cash. So I've now got the tray where you put the notes, 10s, 5s and 20s, and then the coins. So I'm excited about that. I've got my petty cash prepared. I also have a first aid kit. It's very important to have a first aid kit. And you guys, I think that's it. I thought there was something else, but maybe because I thought the stand was going to be bigger, but it's not. But anyway, I am literally so excited. I've been preparing already, but I've got 24 hours to prepare tomorrow, and then the big day is Saturday, July 5th. July 5th in Derby Market Hall. And I'm just so grateful for the new audience that I'll have to share Spark sunglasses with. I will be filming, of course. I have to film everything that I do to document the journey as an entrepreneur and how I've been able to scale Sparks and, you know, get new customers and new experiences and things like that. So I just thought I would share this with you guys, a really quick shopping haul to get ready for this new experience for Spark sunglasses.
Sidewalk glow, mirror shades, yeah, we dress for the show. Sun-kissed vibes and the strut so free. OTD and my besties with me. Lemonade lips and that breezy sway. Click flash, it's a photo day. Frame so fly, they catch the light. Spark sunglasses got us feeling right. Sparks on a summer day, we're shining in every way. Fashion flames in the heat from head to toe. We bring the beat, yeah, we're bold, bright and carefree. With our crew, we're on, we ready. Sun up to golden hour fade. It's a sparks kind of summer day. 'Twirling skirts, denim dreams, sneakers clean like movie scenes. Laughter loud, hearts on fire, striking poses, climbing higher. Matching frames but every style, retro gold to the modern wild. Reflecting skies and city streets, it's the summer look that can't be beat. Sparks on a summer day, we're shining in every way. Fashion flames in the heat from head to toe. We bring the beat, yeah, we're bold, bright and carefree. With our crew, we're runway ready. Sun up to golden hour fade. It's a sparks kind of summer day. Oh, we glow with every glance. In these shades, we take our chance. Styles our anthem of our lands. Living loud with fashionable friends.
Guys know that no matter where I am, no matter what I'm doing, if I hear a song that I like, no matter what, this, the photography, no matter what it is, the music, when it hits you, boy, hey, hey. No pain. If when it hit you, you feel no pain. Steer it up. Hey, hey. Feel, darling, steer it up. I have Bob Marley days when I'm working. I just listen to all Bob Marley.
Sparks on a summer day where every sidewalk is our stage. OTD, the world can see confidence and clarity.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. As of this morning, fire in the rising sun. Our melodies pure and true, singing
shining in my face. But I got my shades on, keeping up the pace. Through the glare and the glare, I won't compromise. Cause I love and protect, yeah, my precious eyes. They've seen it all, the highs, the lows. But with these lenses, the world just glows. I won't let the light take me by surprise. I'm here to love and protect my eyes. Love and protect, I've got my shades on tight. Block out the bird and let my soul take flight. The sun's got nothing on me tonight. Cause I love and protect, yeah, my precious eyes. The world can be bright, but I won't be blind. With these frames in place, I'm always one of a kind. From sunrise to sunset, I've got the perfect view. I'm keeping it cool and I'm keeping it true. They've seen the storm, the rain, the skies. But through it all, they'll still survive. I won't let the light cloud my skies. I'll always love and protect my eyes. Love and protect, I've got my shades on tight, on tight. I got the bird and let my soul take flight, take Step out in the sun, feel the heat rise, shining like a star, catching every eye. Retro frames got that timeless style. Lux in the air makes it all worthwhile. Catch the light, let it shine. Sparks fly every time you wear them right. From the past to the future, you will redefine the way the world sees you. Well, that's at a time. Sparks, sunglasses turn the world to gold. Fashion so bold, never getting old. Shades so sleek, they light up the night. Retro luxury, looking just right. Sparks, sunglasses catch a spark and glow. Wear them with flair, let your confidence show. Classic and chic with a modern twist. Every detail's perfect, you don't wanna miss. From the city streets to the open sky, sparks turn the ordinary into paradise. Catch the light, let it shine. Sparks fly every time you wear them right. From the past to the future, you will redefine the way the world sees you. Well, that's at a time. Sparks, sunglasses turn the world to gold. Fashion so bold, never getting old. Shades so sleek, they light up the night. Retro luxury, you looking just right. Sparks, sunglasses catch a spark and glow. Wear them with flair, let your confidence show. From the runway to the streets, you're a star. Sparks on your face, you're going far. Every look a statement so divine. Sparks will keep you in the spotlight. Shine. Sparks, sunglasses turn the world to gold. Fashion so bold, never getting old. Shades so sleek, they light up the night. Retro luxury, you looking just right.